Nature, a tapestry of life's breath, whispers in every breeze, whispers in that. Leaves sway in a ballad, rivers hum a tune, mountains stand tall beneath a watchful moon. A symphony of colors, a canvas so grand, in every grain of sand, life's secrets are fanned. Nature, a poem eternally spun. Nature and humanity share an intricate bond. We depend on its resources for survival, and in turn, our actions shape its course. Without mutual respect, imbalance prevails. If we neglect nature, ecosystems collapse, endangering our existence. We must nurture the symbiotic relationship for a sustainable and harmonious future. We humans are significantly impacting nature through deforestation, pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change. This leads to biodiversity loss, air and water pollution, and disruptions in ecosystems. These actions harm our health, food security, and overall well being.